Friday, September 30th. I'm buying some Apple 145 puts at 465 right here at the moment here. This is on the 15-minute chart. This is just, I'm just playing this as a big failure to move up on the day with targets below. And the first bar kind of was, it started down and then it went up a little bit. And then we kind of paused like the market itself, try to break out to the upside. And then you get a big shooter bar here. So at the, at the kind of the blue line here, I'm buying these puts. Obviously, I'm looking for it to head down. It's going to be one step at a time now to take out kind of these lows here, which is kind of the midpoint of the first bar. That will kind of, well, first you want to get a 2 down bar here on the 15-minute chart. Then you got to take out that, these 3 lows here, which is the midpoint of the first bar. Then that can maybe show you heading down back towards the 141 area, the lows of the day. On the daily chart, it's just an inside bar at the moment. We just kind of came down and touched that yesterday's low. So you have a lot of, downside continuation in play here. We really couldn't rally above the midpoint of the prior day. So I'm just got to look at this as kind of an overall failure developing in the market possibly. And Apple being one of the weaker stocks, I'll see if we can start heading down towards those lows. Again, big picture, weekly chart, red heading lower. And even on the monthly chart, it's 1 day to go. I mean, after this 2 down failure last month, 2 down this month after failing last month, we are targeting the 135 area on the monthly chart. We have 1 day to go. If we close big red here today, the end of the month, maybe we'll continue lower. That as long as this holds up, we'll be continuing to that target. So, I don't know if we're going to get there today. Any major collapse, it doesn't look like it, but you just never know. But at least at this point, I think we should start heading to the lows, of the day and set up a no risk trade kind of thing. Failure to move up, but who knows? Maybe we'll just be after a big move down. Maybe it's just more of a consolidation day. But I'll play it here and see if we can get the reversal downside still early in the day, and we'll see. Again, 1 step at a time. 2 down developing now. Let's see if we take out the midpoint of the first bar. That there are stops here, so I could see it kind of at least broadening out there. But then we'll have to see, how it attacks the low of the day if we start to move down there.